This is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. If your smartphone feels sluggish or its performance and processing speed is underwhelming, you may want to begin by clearing the RAM cache or simply closing all background active apps. In order to do that, open the list of recent applications and press the Close All button. Then what you might also want to do is to install the Google Files app. So I should have it installed somewhere. Yep, here it is. So install this app, then go into the clean section right over here and take care of your storage. My storage is fresh since I've just performed a system setup not long ago. But in your case, if you have been using this phone for a while, it may have accumulated a lot of trash, junk files, temporary files, and so on. So what I want you to do is to open the screen section and perform all the steps that the app will automatically come up with for you, personalized steps, and well, simply take care of your storage, free up some storage space. Then what you might also want to do is to launch settings, go into the battery and device care category, then open the memory section, go into the RAM Plus, switch it on, select how many additional RAM gigabytes you would like to get, and then restart your phone so those changes will have a chance to take effect. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.